How to do, pipers? Snoring Slinger here. Smoking some Drucquer and Sons Limited King's Full English flake cut. And I like English, you know that. This one's a bit different. Got some burley and perique in it. Let me read this candia. Here, let me get a quick read light when I read this candia. It's interesting. Alas, poor Yorick! I knew him, Horatio, a fellow of infinite jest, of most excellent fancy. The bard's famous King's Fool sang songs, guided the monarch's contemplation, challenged decisions, and created moments of pure relaxation akin to the leisurely ritual of pipe smoking. King's Fool is a rich rendition of the lighter realms of English tobaccos, a lavish portion of bright flue-cured leaf, opulent red Virginias, whispers of Latakia, a touch of burley and Cavendish, and a dash of perique to imbue the smoke with a captivating, luxurious spice. Pressed and aged in cakes before being sliced into flakes, King's Fool maintains an even burn, culminating in a pristine dry ash, leaves both pipe and palate revitalized. Okay then. And again with the relight, because I've been babbling. I think the only other English I've had with burley in it was the crumble cake English #1 that came in like kind of like a crumble flake of sorts. That's the Sutliff. That was good. I liked it. Very good indeed. Now I can taste the perique, but it's not really presenting itself in the retrohale. It's more so the plumminess of it and that kind of gym sock funk it gives the smoke, which is good. So I do like Latakia a lot, being an Orientals guy, because Latakia is an Oriental, right? But like I say, it's only a dash in there, and it's not like overtaking any of the other flavors. Like I can definitely taste the burley, nutty, woody, smooth. Mm. The bright is zesty, got a little zest to it. I think the way the Latakia and the burley and perique are coming together in this, like just kind of like even the flue-cured leaf, it's given me this like hint of dark-fired Kentucky flavor, but I don't think there's any of that in here. It didn't say specifically dark-fired Kentucky, so I don't think that's what it is. I just think it's the way the flavors are coming together with it. That being said, it is a lighter English. It's not a big in-your-face smoke at all. I have to say, I like it a lot. Um, I think as far as Burley and Perique go, me not being their hugest fans quite yet, You know, I like a little bit of Perique, like with some of my vapors, but they're like just hints of Perique, right? And Burley, there's only a few Burley blends I really enjoy. But just not being a Burley forward blend kind of changes that a bit. It just kind of gives it those characteristics Burley can offer to another blend, you know? Hmm. This is really good. And like I said, Drucquer and Sons, King's Full. This one's got a year on it from 2024. I like the tin art. I do really like the tin art. You got the gesture there. He's having a little conversation with a parrot. Really cool. Hmm. I'm gonna get back to it, guys. I'm gonna have my pipe. Y'all go do your thing. Be good. Be safe. It's an Annoying Slinger out.